Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a curve passes through this point. So, curve is passing through this point. This means this point will be taken like for calculating the value of integration constant c. Let the slope of the curve at each point x comma y be this. Slope means what? Tangent. Tangent is dy by dx. So look at this, how I will approach this question. So we have dy by dx is equal to y by x plus sec y by x. So we have to solve this differential equation. So how we will respond, try to understand. First we will try to apply the idea of variable separable method. So do you think you can apply variable separable method? No, because you cannot put all x together, cannot put all y together. Okay, then we have three filters for variable separable method, that is filter 1, dy by dx equals to linear function. We don't have linear function. Then we have dy by dx equals to linear by linear. Okay, so you cannot observe that thing either. Then we have polar form x dx plus minus y dy, so you cannot use that idea as well. Then we have second filter named as linear differential equation, which look like dy by dx plus y is equal to, here we have px, here we have qx. You cannot use this idea either, correct? Because of this thing, you cannot segregate them. Then we have uh, we have to convert our question into linear differential equation where we have this type of question. We cannot observe this type of situation as well. Now we have to use the third idea, that is homogeneous differential equation. So how we will understand that we can apply homogeneous differential equation? If all elements will have same power, so look at this element, x is carrying one power, y is carrying one power, so because of that you have 2. Here also we have power as 2. So both of them are carrying same element, same power, so you can think about homogeneous differential equation. So how we used to respond to those questions? We used to write y equals vx. Now differentiate both of them, both side with respect to x. So we got dy by dx. Here we will apply first function, differentiation of second function x with respect to x is 1. Then second function, differentiation of first function dv by dx. Now we will replace. You know that here also we have dy by dx and there also we have dy by dx. So we will replace. So we got v plus x dv by dx is equal to, so y by x. So in place of y can we write vx? So x gone, we are left with v plus sec v. If you will play fruit ninja, you can eliminate this v and v. Now you can segregate, you can apply variable separable method. So look at this, we have dv by sec v is equal to dx by x. You can also write this thing as cos v dv. Now integrate both of them. So integration of cos x is what? Sin x. So here we will have sin v is equal to log x plus integration constant c. You know that we have given question in the form of x and y, not v and x. So you have to replace this v. So who is v? V is y by x. So can I write sin y by x is equal to log x plus integration constant c. Now we have to find out the value of integration constant c using this point. So as the curve passes through 1 comma pi by 6, so we have to replace x with 1 and y with pi by 6. So sin pi by 6 by 1, so pi by 6 sine 30, 1 by 2 is equal to log 1. Log 1 is 0. So value of integration constant c is 1 by 2. So you can upgrade your function like sine y by x is equal to log x plus 1 by 2. So this is our required function. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.